Ever looked at a makeup brush and wondered what is it used for? Or did you get overwhelmed last time wondering which one to pick? With plethora of makeup brushes available in the market, it can get quite confusing. But don't worry because I got you covered. Hi, I'm Shania Sardesai and in today's video I'm going to share with you some must-have makeup brushes for beginners. Also, if you're new to the BeBeautiful platform, don't forget to hit that subscribe button right now. When it comes to foundation, my favorite is a round top synthetic brush like this one. Because of the shape, the foundation goes on smoothly, creating a flawless finish. The best way to use this brush is by moving it in circular motions. I use it not only for foundation but also for other liquid products such as BB or CC cream. So here's a tip. Spray your foundation brush with a little bit of setting spray before blending to get that seamless finish. For buffing your concealer, a small dense brush like this is absolutely perfect to create that smooth finish. You can also use this concealer brush to blend in your foundation or any other liquid product in smaller areas such as your nose or around the mouth. Dot your concealer under the eyes and spread it evenly with this brush or your fingers. And then blend out using a dabbing motion with the brush. If you're an oily face girl like me, I prefer mattifying my T-zone while keeping the cheeks nice and dewy. Which is why this medium-sized powder brush covers just enough surface area. At the same time, due to its dome shape, it fits right into the nooks and crannies of the face. I love blush. The flushed cheek effects make me look all the more radiant and youthful. Now for applying blush. An easy technique is to smile and then identify the elevated parts of the cheeks and then dab it on. I prefer to use an angled brush to follow the natural shape and hollows of my cheekbones. This brush is super soft and deposits color evenly and precisely. Instead of swirling your brush in the blush pan, which can pick up too much pigment, it's important that you use a light sweeping motion. This way you can slowly build the color up without it looking too much. Now let's get on to some eye brushes. A flat surface brush like this is essential for packing colors on the eyelid. I prefer to use synthetic hair bristles because they can work with both cream and powder products. Also, they are low maintenance, which means I can wash it easily unlike natural hair bristles. Pack an eye color of your choice on the lid with light dabbing motions, as opposed to a sweeping motion to get an intense color payoff. And if you're using a sparkle or shimmery eyeshadow, wet your brush a little so that the product adheres to your eyes better. A fluffy tapered blending brush is an absolute must for any eyeshadow look. It works for everything. For adding color on the eyelid, for blending a transition color, or even creating a smoldering effect by smudging the edges of the eyes. To blend an eye color in the crease area, use a windshield wiper motion. They work the best. Do this over and over until there are no obvious lines. A small slanted brush like this is perfect for both eyebrow powders and pomades. You can have a separate spoolie, but a dual-ended brush like this not only saves space but is also practical. Putting brushes in a jar will preserve their shape. Stylize your brush jar with a ribbon. You can also organize your brushes according to its usage so that you can access them easily when needed. For concealer or foundation brushes, it is important that you clean them once or twice a week. This will prevent bacteria and product buildup. And since these brushes are used on our face, the cleaner the better. Brushes which are used around our eyes needs to be cleaned more frequently. And the rest of the brushes can be cleaned once a week depending on your usage. So to sum it up, these 7 brushes are all you need in your makeup arsenal. You can create a lot of makeup looks using just these brushes. If you have any more recommendations for us, make sure you leave it in the comments below. Also, for more beauty guides and tutorials, stay tuned and don't forget to hit like, share and subscribe to Be Beautiful.